So this is something I've been waiting for a very long time. If you guys follow the channel or my Instagram, which will be linked down below, you know that I've been hyped for this item all season. This is by far my favorite item from the season. This is one of my grails. I pulled this out because it's very similar. This is a Supreme washed floral trench coat from, I want to say 2018, spring, summer, fall, winter maybe. I think one of those seasons, but I think this is very similar to the Wave Jean. But yeah, I think this might be my all-time Supreme Grail, or definitely one of the top like Supreme Grails that I have. And then these Wave Jeans are also definitely high up on that list, probably like that and then these jeans. I think these were so beautiful. I think they're so cool. I actually did a lot of researching into the sizing because I was pretty worried, you know, super expensive pants, I want them to fit. And from what I found, it seems like these pants, the like denim ones, that they are usually run, if anything, a little big, but usually true to size. So I'm hoping they fit. People said the inseam is a little short on them a lot of the time, so I'm expecting it to be a little bit like that, but you know, that's nothing we can't work with. Also, unfortunately, I did have to buy these for resale. I paid about $50 over retail, which I think is a really good price. I think, honestly, I feel like these are gonna go up over time, like so much. They started off like $240, and then right now they're around like $200 for resale. Retail was like $158, but I think, you know, $50 isn't too bad, especially I feel like this is such a cool collection that I feel like a lot of pieces are going to go up. And then to talk a little bit more about the collection, like I said, yes, I had to buy resale because the collection flew. If you looked at Supreme Community, they have like the upvote, downvote, like you can look at the ratio, the like ratio for the items, and a lot of the stuff for that collection was sitting around like, I don't know, like 50 to 60%, which I looked at and I was like, oh, all right, maybe it won't sell out that fast. You know, hopefully these, like the jeans I wanted to go for, I was like, all right, it should be all right since, you know, the like ratio isn't crazy, but nah, they flew like 8 seconds. I think the majority of that collection was gone in like 10 seconds. There was the other colorway that went a little bit slower, but a lot of that stuff flew. I can't really think of anything else to say, and honestly, I grabbed these last night, like they got delivered last night, and I wanted to do an unboxing for this, so I waited to open them up till today, so they've just been chilling. So I definitely want to get these open, and here we go. We got the bag right here. I did buy them off of a certain website that I don't really want to promote at all, so I'm gonna try to keep it out of the way. But here they are, the Supreme Wave Jean. Ladies and gentlemen, the Supreme Wave Jean, and wow, these are beautiful. I will say the denim isn't exactly like I thought it would be. It is a little bit different. Like in comparison to this trench coat, I think the denim on this trench coat is like a little more, I don't know, like malleable maybe. Maybe it's just because I've worn it a couple times, whereas this is a lot more stiff maybe. But yeah, this one is kind of like, it just feels a little softer. Maybe it's just because it's older, or I've worn it a couple times. I've never washed those or anything, but these just feel a little bit more stiff. But damn, in person, this green and the blue pop like crazy, man. I will say the koi fish, I was expecting it to be more of a red. I want to say in the pictures it looked almost like more towards like a brighter red, but the red is definitely a lot more mellow. And I mean, these seem decently long. They're 32, but damn, they seem wide as hell. Man, these are crazy. Let me try them on and I'll be back. They're way bigger than I imagined they'd be. Like, these are very baggy, and actually the fit, like even on the waist, is like pretty big. Definitely not like too big to wear or anything like that, but also like as far as length goes, not bad. People were complaining about the inseam, like I said, but I don't think the length is bad at all. I will say, like I said before, it does seem like a lot different of a denim than they did for this one. I think another thing that goes into it is the pants seem lighter. Look at my pants. Like, these are, oh my god, these are crazy. Dude, these are so wild. They're so big too. I feel like I'm wearing like some parachute pants. I definitely see why people tailor them. As I hear a lot of people, like, they'll get the Supreme pants and then get them cropped or, you know, slimmed down a bit. There's enough material here to make 2 pants probably. But Nah, man. Ooh, I love these. These are so beautiful. Very, like, the bagginess too will be nice if I want to wear them in the summer. You know, baggy pants usually are a lot cooler than some skinny jeans that heat up real quick. As far as quality goes, I think they're definitely not worth the price point, but I think what does make them worth it is the design. Like, this is, oh my god, these are wild, dude. This design is so beautiful. Like, I love this. Just look at the colors on my legs and tell me this isn't beautiful. Oh my god, that's amazing. Being so expensive, I would want to see a denim similar to like some Carhartt Whip jeans. I think they have like crazy high quality. Super like weird fit though. I think I'm like a 34 in their pants, where I'm usually a 32. Like Supreme 32, this is like baggy for me, but if you do get Carhartt Whip jeans, be careful with the sizing. It's very strange, but I think they have very, very high quality pants. Like the denim on them are just so nice. But I guess, you know, if you're talking about the Supreme pants, I love these. I think these are beautiful. Sizing, they're fitting like parachute pants, man. So I mean, I guess you can get them cropped if you guys go that route, but waist fits big, length fits, I'd say normal. Like the length, this fits like pretty much like a normal 32 would probably fit. If anything, maybe a little high, but I can't really complain for like the length that it reaches. Just really isn't like too much of a difference between a lot of other 32s, I would say. Another reason I like these jeans so much is the Supreme tab that they have. Supreme usually does like two different types of jeans, or they usually have like these two different types of jeans. They'll either have the Supreme star on the pocket as their kind of branding, or else they'll have that Supreme tab on the back. And I definitely like this version of the branding. Kind of interesting, it is used as like a belt loop almost that's underneath it. It like flexes outward, so you could fit a belt underneath there. It's not all sewn down. But that tab doesn't seem like super high quality leather. As far as the print goes, I obviously love it, but there are some spots where it's like a little faded, especially on the koi fish. You can see parts where it's like more white, where maybe not enough dye was laid down or however they did it. And I think when you look at these and compare it to a different Supreme denim pattern, like this one is a perfect example. Like you look at this and the coloration is perfect on it, but the pants didn't really hit like the level of quality that this would. I don't really think. I feel like this denim is a lot better than these pants. That's pretty much it. I think these are beautiful. I'm hyped. I really wanted to get these unboxed, and I was so disappointed when I missed out, because I've been waiting ever since I saw these. I was like, this is my favorite thing from the season. Like, this is a grail. Like, when you see a grail, you know it, and it's like, I need those pants. But yeah, once again, you know, parachute pants. Look at these boys. So wide. I haven't worn pants this baggy in so long. That's all I've got for you guys though. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.